Welcome back to Kungana na Chengeto in 90, brought to you by Tixozo Media. It sounds a bit morbid, but that's him. He's quite tall and I always feel so tiny next to him considering I'm only 5'3". His body is jacked and covered with quite a number of tattoos. I guess you could say his features would scare people from the onset. But from what I've learned, he's a giant teddy bear, really. He even took the time out to learn sign language and we're able to hold conversations like that when we want to. I do love it when he smiles, though. Not the fake stuff he sometimes does when I can tell he's worried, but the full-on smile that lights up his dark eyes. I haven't seen him in a while now. About a week. I had a dream that I would see him soon, but nothing. I'm trying not to be worried. And I do miss him. How long do you plan on hiding in your own little world, little one? I look at Harugumi wondering for the millionth time why I never seem to hear her walking. Not long, I drop my hands mid-sign. What? You know you can tell me anything. I don't want to leave you. Who's going to take care of you and remind you not to leave your avocados outside or else the tokos will get them, I sign. It'll be all right, my dear. This day was coming. I'm just happy that it's happening this way. Tune in next week for more Kungana na Chengeto in 90, brought to you by Tixozo Media. Thank you.